Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Wellon. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to bypass an application called Cardlog. Okay. Meanwhile, I have two profile on my phone. One is my personal profile, which I install application which I trust. Then the second profile is where I installed application which I downloaded from untrusted website. So please, if you want to download any website, please any application, make sure it is from the trusted website like Play Store. But if not, you don't trust the application, you can also have your work profile like this, where you download any modded app. You can practice anything. Whatever been happening here does not affect your profile, your personal profile. Okay, so we'll be working on this application called Cardlog Pro. Okay, Cardlog Pro is an application used by ATM hackers for extracting money and doing illegal activities, but I haven't tried yet. So, but we are going to do a little background research on this. So, here is my browser. So we are going to search Cardlog Pro. Okay, as you can see, there are so many websites which have something to say about this. So we are going to open this one to see what it is used for. So please be careful if you are downloading this from any untrusted website. So I have seen that so many people have been duped. Think there's nothing here. Let's check. Okay, let's try this. So many people have been swindled. Also, I'm going to walk you through my experience on YouTube when I come across how people are desperate over this application. So let's see what this person said. Okay, say Cardlog Pro version 6 is a bank hacking app that deals only with credit card and debit card. It is fast and reliable. It can remove millions of dollars in a credit card in just a minute. Okay, so this is here we are going to stop. So you can see they are selling this 170 sorry, I don't know how much they're selling it. They're selling this P bank. I'm going to also make a video based on this because I have almost all this application. So so I have that. So I don't know how much they're selling this. So it should be okay, $110. So you should be very careful of the kind of website you purchase something from. Okay, so let's check on YouTube. You can also see what people said about and how people are desperate over this application. So when we type Cardlog Pro, so you can as well see so many people have said something. Cardlog Pro review. Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to this layer YouTube channel to my YouTube.
Okay, so we're just going to see how people need this. He helped me got my please, I need this file of the app. Please can you send it to me for free? Guys, what's the download link? I want this app. Okay, so you should be careful if you need this application, and you can message me, but please, this is not legal. So this video is for educational purpose only. So it aims at the readers and the viewers, okay, to be conscious of what they do. Okay, so please, this is just to create an awareness. You should be careful, know how to keep your credit card or debit card so safe away from malicious hackers. So we are going to work on this more, so we are going to be closing this. So this is an application. We are going to be entering we're going to be entering a random. Okay, let's just copy. I'm going to be using this for instance. Okay, demo. Okay, so I'm going to be entering just anything. I will just type anything. Okay, then I will copy and paste. You see, when we after bypassing this, you can see that the same code we open this application. So here is the application. So I'm going to be entering this here. Sorry, I made a mistake. So let's open the application once more again. So I'm going to be pasting this here. I will be pasting the code. The random code. You see, when I click login, you see there will be a invalid message here which says invalid credential. You can see that. So I will try again, then I will circle this. So you can see that invalid credential. So meaning that you cannot make use of this application if you don't have the right activation code. But don't worry guys, we are going to be bypassing this so for free. So please, if you are still watching up to this time, please thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, you can message me on the comment section below. So the application I'll be using to bypass this is called APK Editor Pro. Okay, so there are so many applications which you can use, such as APK 2M. There are so many of them. MT Manager, if I'm not mistaken. This MT Manager. Okay, these are the applications which you can use to modify an application. So now we are going to open this application. So when you here, so you are going to see select an APK file, select APK from app. So already we have already installed this application, so we are going to be doing this from installed file instead of the raw file. So we'll be clicking here. So please, in case if you're not seeing my mount cursor or cursor, anyone. Okay, so sorry, my phone is off. Okay, so I'm going to be opening this. So this is going to list the file already installed on this phone. So here is the file which is already installed. You can see the Cardlog Pro. So we are going to be opening it now. So now the options say edit mode, then full edit and simple edit. Please, we are going to be choosing the full edit option because we are going to run a full background check on this application. So I'm going to be choosing this. Then I'm going to choose all files. Okay, all right, now we are progressing. So the next thing is you can see there's two options. One is string files and manifest. So we are going to be doing this from here, which is files. Right, so we are going to open this. Okay, now please don't forget when you see this, simply means that we are on the app. So but you cannot be able to see the full file. So the next thing you are going to do is to click here smallly, then to see the full APK file. So we're going to be opening this. Okay, now you can see. So when you find yourself here, please there are other methods to modify this, to go about this. So but the number one method I will show you how to go about this. If you want to see, remember there was a message from this application that said invalid credentials. Okay, So we are going to be searching these invalid credentials. So let's write it: invalid credentials. Sorry, invalid credentials. Okay, let's check the spelling once more to see if we are. So let's check invalid credentials. Okay, so I think we are right. Credentials. Okay, so now to get this directory of this application that is saying this, there are two methods. I'm going to show you how to get this done. Either you have current activity application, which is this. So the current activities will help you to find out the actual directory of an application. Like now we have opened the current activities. So the next thing we are going to do now is to be on this section. You can see. Then here we are on this directory. Let's write it down. com dot my card dot master dot log activity. Okay, that is it. So this is the directory we are going to be searching on. You can see that here the current activities helps us directly without wasting time to get this directory where this message is coming from. Also, we are going to be using the application, which is a APK Pro editor, to go about this. So now we are here. So the next thing you are going to do is to search, input the keyword which is an error message when we are trying to enter invalid credentials. So now I'm going to paste this here. Sorry, there is. Okay, we are going to type this. So invalid credentials. Okay, so that is it. You can see that. So don't forget to input the error message here. Okay, so remember the current activities has already shown us where this is coming from. So the next thing we are going to do is to click search. Okay, now you see we was able to get these two options, feedback from the application. Number one, you can see that you see com. Okay, let's see. You see com. Okay, com MasterCard. So yes, MasterCard, master lock activities. You can see that. So now you see the same thing that current activity showed us is what we find out. So the next thing to do now is to click here, on this edit option, so to see what is inside the code. So we are going to be clicking here. Okay, now we are on the website. We are on the application files. So these are the code that make up the file. So now we are going to check where this message is coming from. Okay, so we are going to check. So we are going to check where that invalid credential is coming from. Okay, here is login successful. Okay, let's check more. You see the login page. Yeah, you can see that. See, here is the message we got from the application: invalid credential. So just the secret behind this, anytime you see this kind of message, okay, this kind of message, there is always what is called a condition. Condition simply means how the application is going to function. When you enter that condition, simply means, okay, let's check the condition behind it. Okay, we are going to check the condition. Let's check if there is any condition successful. Okay, if the remember here is successful message if the activation code is correct. So but we are going to check if there is condition on this. Okay, check the condition. Okay, wow. Okay, now we find the condition. Okay, this condition is telling is calling this bus that if I is equals to, if the input is equals to 0, then go to condition the condition 81. So condition 81 now is going to be login successful. But if the input is not equals 0, so then you have to go to you have to say invalid credential. So that is what is happening here. So what you are going to do, there is no more time to waste about this. So we are going to be modifying the condition, because when I check when I did a thorough check, there is no any other condition. That was the only condition which I saw. So before the successful message. So I'm going to remove this condition now, then I'm going to try this. So no more thing to do here. So since we have modified the condition, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to save this. Here is the save button, please. So just click save. Okay, then just go back again. Okay, now the next thing you are going to do now is to click on build, to build the application, which to build the modification that we have done. So let's build this app now. So you are going to wait for some time to see for this to be successful. So if you learned something new today, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, so that if I post anything in the future, you can also see it. So now you see that the application has been installed. So this application is already installed. You may need to remove it before installing the modified APK. So we are going to remove the old application. So now click yes. So don't forget, I first of all remove the application. So now since the application has been removed, so the next thing is to install the one we modified. So now let's click next, install. So this is my working profile. Remember I told you either if you trust the application you can install here, but I'm installing on my work profile. So I'll click next, then I'll click OK. Installing. Do you want to install this application? Install, yes. Okay, now the application is installed, has been installed on this phone. Okay, so we are going to minimize this. Okay, the next thing is now to look at this application. So we are going to be opening it again. Remember this is the modified version. So let's click now to open to see. Okay, now remember there was random code which we entered before now, which we tried to do this but it didn't work. So let's try if it is going to open this application now. So I'm going to be I'm going to be pasting this here, paste, then click login. Let's see what happened. Wow. Login successful. You can see that. So you can see that now you can, any code you enter we unlock this application. Okay, let's try just random codes. Let's just try random code, like let's try like we learn sec cracked this. So we are going to just click login. See, it is open. You can see the message I told you, it is coming from here. So the successful message. Then where anything you enter now, you see that you can be able to open the application. So anything at all, so there is no any code can open this. Just type random something, just anything, just anything, just click login. You see it will open. You can see so you can see what I told you, the application, the functionalities, but I'll not be going on this for now. You see the card number, expiring date of the card, the CVV number, the zip code, available balance on the card. Then you next. So the next thing now, sorry, invalid credential. So you have to put in the valid credential so you can be able to make use of this app. So please, this is for educational purpose only. If you like this video or you learn something new today, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, well on. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.